So here's a question I thought I would never ask. Who do you think would win in a fight between the Freedom Flex and the Freedom Unlimited? Well, I honestly can't tell you. But what I can tell you is that these are two of the best no annual fee credit card available out there. Especially because of their limited time welcome offer, which includes 5% cashback on gas station. But which one of these is a superior option? Which one should you get first? Well, let's find out. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to compare the Chase Freedom Flex versus the Freedom Unlimited. We will talk about their similarities and their differences to determine which card is right fit for you. So let's start with the similarities first. So as of May of 2022, both Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited have welcome offer of $200 cash back after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Not only that, they also have limited time special offer of 5% cashback on gas station up to $6,000 on the first year of card opening. Now this could be an excellent offer, especially because how high the gas prices are right now. On top of that, both of these cards have 0% intro APR for the first 15 months. And I just think that's amazing. But the similarity doesn't end there. Both of these cards earn 5% cashback on travel booked through the Chase Travel Portal. They also earn 3% cashback on restaurant, including takeouts, and 3% on drugstore. The similarity still doesn't end there. Like I mentioned before, both of these cards have no annual fees. Even though Chase advertises these as a cashback card, both of them technically earn ultimate reward points, which can be very valuable down the line, especially if you decide to get one of the Sapphire cards. But more on that later. These two cards also have similar protections and insurances. Feel free to pause the screen to look at more details. I will also leave a link to this in the description below. So those were all the similarities, but let's move on to the differences. So the major difference between these two cards is that point earning categories. While they do earn similar rate on these categories, Freedom Unlimited earns 1.5% cashback on everything, whereas Freedom Flex has 5% rotating quarterly categories that you have to activate each quarter. Here are some of the examples of the quarterly categories. So that was the major key difference between these two cards. But there are some minor differences that I think you should be aware of. So Freedom Unlimited is issued by Visa, so it might be more widely accepted. But Freedom Flex is issued by MasterCard, and it is part of MasterCard Elite that has its own perks and benefits. One major benefit Flex has over Unlimited is that it comes with cell phone protection plan. So that was it. That was the basic rundown of Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited. So which one should you get? Well, if you want simple setup with no hassle with fixed 1.5% cashback, then go ahead and get the Freedom Unlimited. If on the other hand, if you are willing to put just a little bit of work and remember to activate and use the quarterly rotating categories to get more points and cashback, then go with the Freedom Flex. That might be the right card for you, especially if you want more points. But to be honest, it really doesn't matter which one you get first. Ideally, you would get both, since both of them earn ultimate reward points. Like I mentioned before, you can combine them with one of the Chase Sapphire cards to make a perfect trifecta. If you want to know more about the power of the trifecta, and if you want to know the ultimate Chase trifecta guide, check out this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.